Congratulations, Sudipta Di. Ki apurbo lagche tomar. You look lovely. Thank you. I have a question for you too. What do you think Binodini Opera changed in you forever?
First of all, good evening, everyone. আমিও সঙ্গীতা দির মতো বলি, দুটো লাইন বলার আছে, ওটা আগে বলে নেব। T2, the Telegraph team, honorable jury members, সবাইকে আমার অনেক অনেক নমস্কার, ধন্যবাদ for choosing me for this award, especially because it's not for cinema, it's for theatre, my first love. So thank you, thanks a ton. Had my father been alive today, he would have been really happy. Who introduced me to the stage. I'm happy that my Ma is sitting there and watching this. Thank you, Ma and Baba, to introduce me to the stage, which made me an actor. I don't know whether I'm flawless, but I feel complete when I'm on stage. So that in a way is your answer, Shorosheni, that I feel complete when I'm performing on stage, because they say you are actually naked on stage. Your head to toe is being watched by any one of the audience, so you cannot hide anything when you are on stage. So I feel the happiest, and as far as Binodini Opera is concerned, I don't know what Abanti Chakraborty, the director, had seen in me, because I physically no way resemble with Noti Binodini, but I think the soul got connected somewhere. We've done more than 35 houseful shows all over Bengal till date, and before the prior night of each and every show, I feel sick. I don't know why. Every show it happened. আমার গলা ভেঙে আমার জ্বর আসে প্রত্যেক বিনোদিনী অপেরা শো এর আগে, আর প্রত্যেকটা শো ভালো হয়। থ্যাংক ইউ, থ্যাংক ইউ।